Sick of streaky windows and hard-to-reach spots? Meet the 69-foot cleaning pro that does it all. Why settle for less when your windows deserve the best? You've tried everything. Old rags, flimsy squeegees, even risking life and limb on ladders. Still, those streaks and smudges mock you. Enter the VITEVER 69-foot Window Squeegee Cleaner Tool, your all-in-one solution to spotless windows. With its extra-long extension pole and 3 interchangeable heads, a silicone blade, chenille scrubber, and microfiber scrubber, this tool makes high, low, indoor, and outdoor cleaning a breeze. No more water streaks, no more smudges, and definitely no more balancing acts on shaky ladders. High-quality build that outlasts the competition. Forget tools that bend or break after a few uses. The VITEVER Squeegee features a sturdy iron pole and rust-proof stainless steel components, ensuring it lasts for years. Its silicone blade fits snugly for a streak-free finish every time. Plus, the washable chenille and microfiber scrubbers are super absorbent, scrubbing away dirt, moisture, and grime with ease. Whether tackling dusty windows or grimy car windshields, this squeegee delivers professional results without the professional price tag. Versatility that puts other tools to shame. This isn't just a window cleaner, it's a multitasking marvel. The 69-inch extension pole lets you clean high windows, mirrors, bathroom doors, and even your car's windshield without breaking a sweat. Want to switch it up? Use the detachable scrubber heads for handheld precision on smaller surfaces. From office glass walls to French doors, the VITEVER cleaning kit handles it all. Say goodbye to juggling multiple tools and hello to effortless versatility. Saves you time, energy, and money. With its efficient design, this squeegee kit cuts your cleaning time in half. The durable materials mean fewer replacements, and the hassle-free assembly ensures you're ready to clean in minutes. You'll love how its lightweight design makes chores feel less like work and more like a satisfying mission. Why hire a professional when you can achieve sparkling clean windows yourself? Affordable, effective, and eco-friendly, this tool has it all. A cleaner home, one swipe at a time. Customers rave about the VITEVER Squeegee for its ease of use and professional-level results. Its innovative design eliminates streaks, reduces strain, and gets into hard-to-reach places effortlessly. Whether you're battling dirty windows or tackling tough grime on glass, this tool makes cleaning enjoyable and, dare we say, fun? It's not just a squeegee, it's a game-changer for your cleaning routine. Ready to upgrade? Your windows will thank you.